Hello everyone. Today we solve this type of interesting problems. 27 to the power 1 by 9 to the power 1 by 16 to the power 1 by 2 whole square. How to solve it? Let's check solution. Twenty-seven to the power 1 by 9 to the power 1 by 16 to the power 1 by 2 whole square. We know 1 by 2 whole square means 1 square by 2 square. This is equal to 1 by 4. Yes, 2 square is 1 by 4. Then 27 whole to the power 1 by 9 whole to the power 1 by 16 whole to the power 1 by 4. Yes, we apply this rule. Then the next step is 27 to the power 1 by 16 whole to the power 1 by 4. It means 1 by 16 root 4. Yes, then it is 1 to the power 4. 16 we split 2 to the power 4 root 4. Then this 4 is cancelled. Then 1 by 2. Yes. Then 27 to the power 1 by 9. Then 1 by 2. Here 1 by 16 whole to the power 1 by 4 we got 1 by 2. Then the next step it is 27 to the power 1 by 9 root over. Why? Because 1 by 9 to the power 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 9 root over. This is equal to 1 by 9 we split 3 square. Then here square and square root is cancelled. Then it is 1 by 3. Yes. Then 27 to the power 1 by 3. Then 27 we split 3 to the power 3 whole to the power 1 by 3. Then 3 is cancelled. Then the answer is 3. Yes. Thank you everyone. Subscribe my channel to see this type of interesting video. Thank you.